So there are only 3 exercise questions in today's lecture. And the first one says, in the graph of the parametric equations, and then it gives a bunch of conditions for x. So you can draw this using your graphics calculator. Let's just put in a couple of values to see what it looks like. If you did t equals 0, you get 0, 0, right? So that means this point is on the graph. If you put in t equals 1, you get 2, 0. So that's this point. If that's 1, then this is 2. And then if you put in t equals negative 1, you'll get 0, 2, right? So this point is on the graph, this point is on the graph, this point is also on the graph. And the shape actually vaguely looks something like this. So notice that this function is not, or this relation is not a function because it doesn't pass the vertical line test. So parametric equations, as I've mentioned before, can describe relations between x and y, not necessarily just functions. So in any case, the question is asking for some condition about x, where x is greater than or equal to one of these values, or less than or equal to this, or it's saying x can be any real number. So notice first that there are no restrictions on t. So t can be any real number. So then x equals t squared plus t, right? So if you imagine x as a function of t, then t can be any real number. The domain is all real numbers. But the range, which is the possible values for x, the question is asking about the range, the possible values for x. So that means that since x equals t squared plus t, we know that this is a parabola, right? This is a quadratic equation.